अच्छा उषा, मुझे ये बताओ कि इस फील्ड में आई कैसे यार? मैं तो सुना है कि आने नहीं दे रहे थे यार कोई भी। कैसे आ गई यार?
Look at you, this sneaky person. All the things you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, I didn't finish my final semester of college, so I'm going to go do that now. मैं Canada में पढ़ी थी. I grew up in Canada, and मेरा भी एक semester बल्कि रहता है. Yeah, नहीं, I changed my accent, so it becomes Pakistani when I'm like this, when I'm normal with you, and then when I'm.
Thank you.
No,
Thank
because
you for
it
saying
has
that,
to.
because मेरे साथ ये हुआ और लोगों को कहते हैं आपके इतना नकली accent बन जाता है ब्रिटेन जाके.
Exactly. So when I'm talking my Canadian accent, people will be like, ये तो इतनी अमरीकी fake बनने की कोशिश. And then I'm like, no, actually, I grew up there, and then I came here, and I adopted this because people make fun of me otherwise, and now it's automatic.
मेरे जैसे एक और है. Yes.
है, और it depends on where I'm like, you know, पठान जब साथ होते हैं, कहीं पे भी हो पश्तो बोलेंगे. So मैं पाकिस्तान में होंगी, I'll talk in this accent. But when I'm in Canada, I'll speak there. But this is like a thing that's become like, I don't know where I belong, dude. I don't know how to talk.
अच्छा.
But
मैं कनाडा से अचानक यहाँ पे.
Yeah, so I grew up there, but I came here for my O levels and then I went back. So मेरी उर्दू शुद्दू सही थी, everything was perfect. And then a family friend offered me a drama on Facebook, and I had the summer off, the winter off. So I was like, okay, आके कर लेती हूँ. And I came, and then I got offered another one, and then I got offered another one. Yeah, because I grew up with them, and he was a producer. Because my mother's an actor, so I knew everyone. And he's like, you want to be the lead in my drama? I'm like, sure, why not? And then like I got greedy because I started making money, and then I just never went back. And now my mother's so mad at me because she's like, can you finish your education, please? It's been like 7 years now. Go.
But you're doing so well. Why would you?
I know, but now it's like, yeah, it's like.
अब अम्मा खुश है मतलब?
No, she
अभी भी नहीं.
She's like, go study. What's wrong with you? She wants me to be like, I mean, I think she's given up on the doctor dream, but she still wants me to be a published writer. And वैसे भी I want to be.
Because you're so intelligent, and she knows कि ये कर जाएगी कुछ मतलब जो भी.
She hopes. But I mean, she likes the way I write, so she wants me to resume writing and be a filmmaker the way I always wanted to be.
You want to direct also, right?
I've always wanted to direct. That's what I want to do.
Yeah.
That's the plan. Essence gonna do my first feature for free.
Yeah. Yes.
Did you know?
Yes. Done.
Yeah. This is on TV.
Oh, did I? No, I did not. ये सब कुछ फ्री हो जाएगा यार. मुझे पता है ये 10 साल बाद बनाएगी यार. 5 साल बाद बनाएगी.
तुम देख 5 साल.
तब तक मुझे किसी ने हीरो ही लेना 10 साल बाद. Hopefully not.
तुम्हें हीरो नहीं लेना, तुमसे 20-20 साल बड़े हीरोज आ रहे हैं अभी, तो मतलब क्या बात कर रहे हो? मैंने नाम नहीं लिया.
कितनी बड़ी बात, कितनी बड़ी बात. कितनी बड़ी. ये वायरल वाला जुमला जो है ये बोल दिया उसने. अच्छा फिर इस फील्ड में अब भाई और इरसा, how are they? Are they okay with this?
भाई is like so mad.
Still, it's been 7 years यार.
He's not gonna get over it.
अच्छा अभी तक के favorite play कौन सा है जो किया
मेरा?
अभी तक का? हाँ.
I like plays where I'm able to act, because honestly मैं तंग आ गई हूँ रो के अपने किसी की शादी टूटने की वजह से, किसी से बात नहीं बनी.
नहीं, अभी recently जो negative किया था बला, वो बहुत अच्छा किया था.
Bala was fun. So I liked Bala because she wasn't. I like characters जो एक तो मुझे directors वो पसंद है जो मुझे करने दें जो मैंने करना है, और मुझे dimensions देने दें एक character को. अब Bala was a really negative character. I wanted to know इतनी negative क्यों है. So I made her like a narcissist sociopath, which is a behavioral disorder. And I gave her those traits, and because of that वो इतनी realistic बन गई कि लोग relate कर सकते थे कि हाँ मैं ऐसी एक औरत को जानती हूँ. She wasn't just like an evil soap opera villain. There was something wrong with her. So I liked her. I loved Lashkara. I play an acid attack victim. We did it first in the recent times, and that was a Zafar Miraj play. So I love that.
So that was even before the Indian film जो Deepika.
Oh, this is before even Surkh Chandni. This was way before, and it didn't do commercially well, but critically it was amazing. And I think that was my best performance actually.
Okay.
And I play an acid attack victim who overcomes this and learns to love life again, which is what I love. She was a powerful woman. I loved Alif Allah Insan. Because that was the first time people thought, okay, she can do different characters. Like I played a beggar, and then like a nachne wali, and then a film star, and you know. And so I love that. I love the one we're doing right now. I'm just picturing all our model friends looking at the screen right now and just swearing at us.
No, but there are a lot of models.
हम कितना smile कर रहे हैं.
But there are a lot of models who are becoming actors.
Oh, they're becoming great actors.
Also at times, Ushna, a lot of models बहुत talented भी हैं जो कि explore होते हैं commercials और फिर बाद में
and then they become actors. Some of our best actors started as models. For example, Amna Sheikh, Sanam Saeed, and I think Amna Ilyas, and so a lot of, and they're some of the best actors we have.
And they're doing well.
And they're doing amazing, mashallah.
I remember in the old days, Winnie used to be a model, and then she became
an actor
actress as well.
Ifat Rahim.
Yeah.
Amna Haq,
Yeah,
and so
yeah.
many. Yeah.
Amina Haq used to
Yeah.
be, you know, a model.
A model, yeah.
And then she became actress as well. So I think acting is. I mean, I think we have a lot of talent. I think we need to direct in a way that these talents should come out more.
Yes.
I feel that the talent that we have is not properly used yet.
Is capable of much more. You
Much
think?
more.
Okay.
I think we need to make our people look bigger, more larger,